Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this frame video transition on CapCut PC. So you're just going to want to essentially create a collage of pictures first or videos for like the background bit. I'm just going to quickly add some like so. It's a little bit difficult to, there we go. And I'm gonna add in like one more here. Oops, my god, that's a little bit lagging. I don't know what I pressed. Why is this happening? Okay, I'm just gonna scale it from here because I cannot scale it there for some reasons. I'm actually just gonna make it like super big first and then I'll like mask it here. Like that. It doesn't have to be super perfect. I'm just going to leave it like this. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and you're going to add it on top of another like video. I'm just going to add like this one for instance. And then I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in a black stock video underneath, freeze frame it, delete the rest, and apply it to the rest of your videos. I'm also going to just adjust this a little bit. Then you're going to select this. You're going to go to mask and you're going to select the rectangle and you're going to reverse that. And then you're going to also select this. You're going to select rectangle and you're going to reverse that as well. And you're going to essentially create like a border here, like that. Then you're going to simply use keyframes. So let's do this one first. Add a keyframe here and then like kind of in the middle, you're going to like pull it until you can't see. Until it's like full, that's what I meant. And then you're also going to do it here. Add a keyframe at the beginning and like in the middle, and you're going to also make it so that it's kind of full. You can also leave the frame there still if you want to. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!